Did you know that buying just $100 worth of Bitcoin in 2010 would be worth over $50 million today? Incredible, right? Well, this is Bitcoin Revolution, where digital fortunes are made and money rules are being rewritten. So, in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin, and by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you must know about this digital currency phenomenon. We'll unravel the mysteries behind Bitcoin, explore how it's changing how we think about money, and reveal the secret strategies for success in this thrilling financial frontier. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey into the world of Bitcoin? Without further ado, let's get started. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's the trailblazer in digital money. With over 19,000 cryptocurrencies vying for attention today, Bitcoin is the pioneer. But what exactly is Bitcoin, and why is it such a big deal? In simple terms, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a type of virtual currency that's designed to work as a digital form of money. What sets it apart is that it operates independently of any central authority or institution. No one person, group, or organization calls the shots when it comes to Bitcoin. It's like a financial rebel breaking free from the traditional financial systems. The magic behind it is that Bitcoin transactions are verified by blockchain miners, essentially the backbone of this digital currency. These miners ensure that every transaction is legitimate and secure. As a reward for their efforts, they earn Bitcoin. It's a bit like a digital gold rush. Interestingly, you can buy Bitcoin on various online platforms called exchanges. It's like stepping into a digital marketplace where you can access this valuable cryptocurrency. But here's where the story takes an exciting twist. Bitcoin's origin is shrouded in mystery. In 2009, it burst onto the scene, introduced to the world by a shadowy figure or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The identity of Satoshi remains a tantalizing mystery to this day. This enigmatic creator released Bitcoin into the world, quickly capturing the world's imagination. Today, Bitcoin isn't just a digital coin, it's a global sensation. Its rise to fame has inspired countless other cryptocurrencies to emerge. Some aim to compete with it as a payment system, while others play different roles in various blockchain and financial technologies. So you might wonder, how does this whole Bitcoin thing work? How does it work? First off, it operates on a blockchain. Now don't let the fancy jargon scare you. As the name suggests, a blockchain is essentially a chain of digital blocks. These blocks contain all the juicy details about every Bitcoin transaction. We're talking about the date and time of the transaction, how much Bitcoin was involved, who bought it, and who sold it. It's like a digital ledger on steroids. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it's open for all to see. It's like a public ledger of cryptocurrency transactions that you can peek into whenever you want. It's like a massive decentralized Google Doc to which anyone with the link can contribute. No one owns it, but everyone can use it. It's a bit like crowdsourcing the history of transactions. Now, you might think, hold on, if everyone can mess with it, isn't that risky? Great question. But here's where the genius of Bitcoin kicks in. To get a transaction block added to the Bitcoin blockchain, it needs a thumbs up from most Bitcoin users out there. It's like a digital democracy. Only when most users give it the green light does it become part of the blockchain history. Oh, and let's not forget about those unique codes. Every Bitcoin transaction has these long random codes that act like secret handshakes. They're super complex and practically impossible to fake. So, it's like trying to guess a gazillion-digit password while blindfolded. Not going to happen. These codes are crucial because they ensure that only legitimate transactions get added to the blockchain. They're the digital locks and keys that keep Bitcoin safe and sound. The level of randomness in these verification codes is off the charts, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to pull off fraudulent Bitcoin moves. So you might have heard the buzz about making money with Bitcoin and you're ready to jump on board. But where do you start? How to make money with Bitcoin? There are several paths to navigate in the world of cryptocurrency earnings. First up, we have Bitcoin lending. It's like letting your Bitcoin work for you while you sit back and relax. People do this on various websites, and it's pretty common in the crypto world. It's simple. Investors lend out their Bitcoin, and in return, they get some sweet interest. It's like putting your digital money to work for you. Shareholders usually set the interest rates according to the agreement's terms. So depending on your generosity or savvy, you can make some serious gains by lending your Bitcoin. Depending on your strategy, you can play the short-term game or go for the long haul. It's all about what suits you best. Now, let's talk about the motherlode, Bitcoin mining. This is where things get exciting. There are two types, personal mining and cloud mining. If you're thinking about going solo with your mining rig, well, it's not exactly a walk in the park. Bitcoin mining is a bit like hunting for treasure in a vast digital landscape. The problem is, there's fierce competition. Everyone and their cousin want a piece of the Bitcoin pie. Running your mining rig can be a tough nut to crack. It might not be the golden ticket you were hoping for between electricity bills and maintenance costs. Don't expect to make millions this way unless you have a secret-free electricity stash. Now, here's where the plot thickens. Cloud mining, my friends, is the hero of our story. It's like having a miner in the cloud who does all the heavy lifting for you. There is no need to buy hardware or assembly required. It's the lazy way to mine, and we love it. All you do is pay a one-time fee for a mining contract, and you're in the game. You'll get your share of the spoils at the end of each month. Your earnings depend on your chosen plan and the electricity costs at the mining facility. It's like being part of a mining club without touching a shovel. The third method for making money with Bitcoin is through trading. If you're in it for the long haul, trading might be your thing. However, remember that the Bitcoin market is as wild as a rodeo, and it takes a seasoned pro to ride it successfully. There are different forms of Bitcoin trading, like the art of arbitrage. Traders hunt for opportunities on various platforms, buying Bitcoin at a lower price on one exchange and selling it for a higher price on another. It's a bit like being a digital deal maker. Then there's day trading, where quick and short trades rule the day. Traders become market detectives, seizing tiny opportunities for small, rapid profits. It's a sprint, and the rewards can stack up. Swing trading, on the other hand, sits in the middle. It's the Goldilocks of trading, not too short or long. Swing traders buy low and wait for the perfect moment to sell high. It's about catching the right wave and riding it to profit. Last but certainly not least, we have a straightforward method of making money with Bitcoin, good old Bitcoin buying. This approach is like planting and watching a seed grow into a money tree. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, making it accessible to newcomers in the cryptocurrency world. Once you've got your Bitcoin, hold on to it like it's a precious gem. Be patient, and don't fret if it takes time for the price to rise. The key is to wait for the right moment, that golden opportunity when the value soars. Then, when the time is ripe, you can cash in and reap the rewards of your investment. But how easy is it to buy Bitcoin? Before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share the video with friends if you find this content helpful. How to buy Bitcoin. When it comes to getting your hands on Bitcoin, the gateway for most people is through cryptocurrency exchanges, like the digital marketplace for buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies. The setup process here resembles opening a brokerage account for traditional investments, where you'll need to verify your identity and link a funding source, such as your bank account or a debit card. Major players in the exchange game include Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and Gemini. However, what if you're familiar with online brokers like Robinhood for your typical investments? You can dive into the world of Bitcoin through them too. Regardless of where you decide to make your Bitcoin purchase, there's one essential thing you'll need: a Bitcoin wallet. Think of it as your digital safe. These come in two forms. A hot wallet, also known as an online wallet, is held by an exchange or a cloud-based provider. Some popular online wallet options include Exodus, MetaMask, and Electrum. On the other side of the spectrum, you've got the cold wallet. This one's an offline device designed to keep your Bitcoin securely tucked away from the internet. Trusted names in the world of mobile wallets include Trezor and Ledger. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to embark on your journey into the digital treasure trove. Now, it can be hard to absorb all this information as a beginner, and it can be quite scary. This is exactly why you should click on this video and watch our full beginner's cryptocurrency investing guide. See you there.